time, the President of the League of Municipal Mayors of the Philippines, Masbate Chapter, and of course,
the Vice
Governor-elect,
Governor
Fernando Andot Talisik. Kailangan mo lang dyan sound. No, na masasarap, meron din dito sa loob. Kaya, mga kaibigan ng Tabianan, in a little later, we shall start just a very short program in connection with this afternoon's soft opening of
Rodeo Masbate 2025.
Yeah.
So meanwhile, basahin muna natin ang ating mga partner agencies. Siyempre, ang provincial government, city government,
Philminera Resources Corporation,
and Philippine Gold Processing Corporation.
Yan ang ating mga partners. At siyempre,
come to Masbate. My heart is full of joy and gratitude. First to the good Lord for providing us with the perfect weather for this event this afternoon. This is just a soft opening of our Rodeo Festival. Ibig sabihin po, para tayong nagbe-break in kung sa motor, nagwa-warm up kung magba-basketball.
Yan na po, ipauna lang po anay ang 1 million pesos. Kaya mo po ang una na process. The next week po, doon po ihahatag an another 1 million pesos. Thank you very much. Palapakan po natin.
Richard Gomez of Masbate, Sir Long Logroño. Sabi ko sa para istorya kanina ni Sir Long, sabi ko bagaman ang eleksyon lagi hapon. Kaya namin pag-build up sa akon. Tapos na po. Kaya si Ma'am Yeng, thank you very much sa acknowledgement. So, sa iyo na tanan, maayong hapon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. First, allow me to pay my respect to our beloved Governor. Kaabot lang.
May nagabi sa inyo tanan. As you all know, Kuya Long Logroño and Ate Marian Esber are the pillars of broadcasting in Masbate. Palakpakan po natin sila. Sila mga nauna na mga announcer sa DYME. Antes po kami na nag-onboard. Pero mga bata pa po sila. Hindi po man sila. Gurang, sabi pa nga ni. Carabao lang ang nagagurang. Nagpapartawan si Nag-Smile si Engineer Egay Ramos. I see familiar faces. The President of the Rodeo Masbateño Incorporated, Judge Campuzano, my longtime friend, the incumbent Mayor of Esperanza, and now the Vice Governor-elect of the province of Masbate, Engineer Fernando Tatandot Talisik. Palakpakan po natin. We also have here officers from the Department of Education, Dr. Cantonhos, Dr. Morales, of course, men in uniform, my good friend, Masbate Police Provincial Director, Colonel Bon Araujo,